Many farmers can think of fields with specific weed problems that other fields do not have. Examples might be herbicide-resistant weeds, newly emerging weed issues like Palmer amaranth, or other difficult-to-manage weeds like burcucumber. These issues are troublesome, but even more so if they're allowed to contaminate other, cleaner fields as well. Sanitation and combine clean-out, when working in problem fields, should be a top priority to reduce spread of these issues. Following harvest of an individual field, a combine may still have as much as 150 pounds of biomaterial on the interior and exterior of the machine. This includes grain, chaff, and weed seed. While it is impossible to remove all that material from a combine, a small amount of effort before moving on to the next crop field may be extremely valuable in reducing movement of this material, especially weed seed. Combine cleanout alone cannot prevent spread of issues, so farmers should take steps to remove problem weeds prior to harvest in order to prevent contamination of the combine. They should also consider harvest order to prevent carrying seed to clean fields later in that order. Finally, the following steps for an in-field combine cleanout can be a final step to reduce the spread of weed issues. Prior to starting the cleanout, make sure you've got your proper protective equipment on. This includes gloves, protective eyewear, hearing protection, and a dust mask. It's also helpful to have a leaf blower or an air compressor to aid in the cleaning process. This cleaning is primarily a self-cleaning of the combine and is expected to take a person 20 to 30 minutes to complete. To start, run the unloading auger on the combine empty for at least a minute. An optional step is to remove the head or grain platform prior to starting the cleanout process. Stop the machine and begin the process of opening it up. You'll want to open the clean grain elevator, the tailings elevator, the rock trap, and the unloading auger sump. Make sure bystanders are at least 50 feet away at this point. Start the combine in the separator. Your goal is to dislodge as much material still stuck in the machine. Adjust the cleaning shoe fan to full speed and alternately open and close the cleaning shoe sieves electronically. Adjust the rotor to full speed for maximum air suction and alternately open and close the concaves. You'll want to operate the machine this way for at least 2 minutes. For additional help in dislodging material, drive the combine over end rows or other rough ground while operating it. During this process, a lot of material should fly out of the machine. Shut down the machine and clean any material left in the rock trap. Use a leaf blower or air compressor to blow off material from the exterior of the combine, focusing on the head, the feeder house, and the axle and straw spreader at the rear of the machine. Finally, to finish up the cleanout process, remember to close the doors to the rock trap, the clean grain elevator, the unloading auger sump, and the tailings elevator before moving on to the next field. While this cleanout does not reduce the importance of practicing weed control tactics like removing weeds from fields prior to harvest, or planning harvest order to prevent cross-contamination of fields, it will reduce the movement of material that may contain weed seeds to later harvested fields. At the end of the season, a full combine cleanout should be completed for maintenance and additional removal of material.